Good morning, everyone. It's my joy and pleasure being here with you this morning as I just came back from New York, meeting with our incredible traders in New York. In front of you this morning, Alpha Fibonacci software projected on S&P mini future 10-minute chart. Trades played out on multiple charts. I choose to project software on 10-minute chart so you can see right now price coming to critical key break wall. Intelligent trader understands to buy the green zone, so if you can drive, you can trade Alpha Fibonacci software to day trade futures on NinjaTrader 8. Software comes with trade recognition software, identifies entry, stop and target. All you have to do, obey the rules and choose your best trade. Intelligent trader understands right now on every single chart, critical key, pullback. Nothing good happens here. But if I bring to your attention extremely important chart, which is a key preparation for your trade, what does the intelligent trader see instantly? As I have not touched this chart for over a week, as I spelled out, this is where market would sell off from, and that's exactly where market sold off from. This was the best place to buy. Now, pullback is key. Again, if I bring to your attention Proprietary predictive system going back to December 4th. Last time I was in the trading room, this was clear. This is Alpha Fibonacci reversal zone, place to monitor for short from, not to buy. But as I warned everyone, it's a little junky retail pullback. Intelligent trader understands the difference between institutional versus retail levels. Junky little retail pullback is over. Buyers stepped in with vengeance. Absolutely no software on this chart, only proprietary levels, proprietary strategies. I've been developing since 2004, traded globally on all instruments, all time frames, all platforms. So if you understand the power of this and you're monitoring the pullback, you are very relaxed, you are not stressing out. Simplicity is the most important part of all of my systems and strategies I have ever developed. We are dealing with critical key zone. Without powerful pullback, trading will be extremely aggressive for retail trader. For institutional trader, it's a very different game. As many months in advance, I spelled out. These are institutional points of entry. Doesn't matter what's happening in the world. Doesn't matter how catastrophic inflation in US is. Doesn't matter what's happening with Middle East crisis. Trillions of dollars buying US market. So here we are today. Price skyrocketed 2,000 points. Institutional buyers are exhausted. 6,000 level identified many months in advance. This is a chart present in the trading room for the last 2 years. That's it. So for retail traders, this presents very aggressive trading. For institutional trader, it's a bliss. Institutional traders holding longs. For retail trader, test is on. I promise you, 20 years of building my own systems, the best things in the market are simple. And that's S&P mini future this morning, from retail to institutional charts, from micro to macro charts. And that's how intelligent trader prepares each and every day. So when you know with a single glimpse, that's a critical key part is a powerful pullback. Without it, market will be brutal. Conservative trades at this level do not exist. Institutional traders keep adding to longs. For retail trader, it's a problem. Here's software today trade futures on NinjaTrader 8 on Dow. I chose to project from 5-minute chart. Starting and flawless reminder, remember where to buy. If institutions buy, you buy. Remember where not to enter into. Can you look with a single glimpse the importance of institutional longs versus junky retail profit taking? Do you understand the difference each and every day? Again, trades played out on multiple charts. I choose to project software on 5-minute chart. But if you prepare for your trading day as intelligent trader would with Alpha Fibonacci system, you understand buyers fully in charge. This was the most important place to buy from. This is a mega problem this morning, this zone. This is key retail chart. Again, absolutely no software on this chart. If I convert this chart to 5 to 10 to 15, this is what playing out. Pain and crawl. This will be ultimate war zone, where powerful pullback is crucial. If I bring to your attention critical key institutional chart, this is where we are. 700 points bullish rally on Dow despite catastrophic global events. Mild profit taking is on. 43,500 level on Dow holding the key. 4,100 is historical level for institutions. That's it. Absolutely no software on this chart, only proprietary levels and proprietary tool, as we will review next on multiple instruments, multiple time frames. That pure and simple. As Dow remains stuck in pain, again, this is ideal. This is where intelligent trader wants to be. This is not. This is war zone. This is where brutal and nasty trading is present. Again, institutions can add to long positions anywhere. For retail trader, it's a problem. Institutions holding positions for months and years. Retail trader cannot afford to trade with giant stops. Retail trader, ultimate precision is crucial. And that's where we are, stuck in pain on Dow. And that's where we are, stuck on S&P. So this morning we have oil news. 99% of the time, big money on sidelines until oil news. Oil news 50 minutes from now. So as S&P is giving you pullback and so does Dow, you are not surprised. You understand quite well. At the time of oil news, this is ideal. You strategize as intelligent human being. You strategize as Alpha Fibonacci chess market trader. So here's oil, institutional chart present in the trading room for years. Our student in Saudi Arabia is not allowed to short, only to buy, only longs. Institutional buy point 66. This is institutional sell point. And again, absolutely no software on this chart, only proprietary levels. I'm bringing to your attention oil before crash at 85. Let's go to August 2023. Please note, contracts change, data changes slightly. Here's August 1st, this chart, August 2023, year and a half ago. Oil crawling up many months in advance, you know. That despite Abu Dhabi backing Putin in Russian and Ukrainian war, despite BRICS trying to destroy US dollar, you know where sell point is on oil, correct? You're an intelligent human being who are seeing global view. So when oil is selling off, despite Abu Dhabi, top oil supplier in the world, backing Putin, you're not surprised. Massive positive news on oil. Oil selling off, oil in free fall. You are shorting, not buying oil. Nothing to do for our student in Saudi Arabia. He cannot short. He can only buy oil. So this is stunning place to buy oil when Alpha Fibonacci rules are met. So when oil keeps skyrocketing from 66 since over a year ago and including this week, you are very well prepared and you know quite well. This is the ultimate place to monitor for long. As intelligent trader, you are riding institutional power. You never stay in front of the train, you ride the train, correct? That's how you prepare each and every time for oil news with institutional Alpha Fibonacci system. Again, absolutely no software on this chart. Student in Saudi Arabia or hedge fund managers trading on platforms I never even heard of. If Fibonacci retracement tool is present, insert proprietary levels, apply proprietary strategies, and you know, hours, days, weeks, months, and even years in advance where institutional buy and sell points are, well before major news, independent of major news. So this was oil on retail chart on September 11th. Dream level for retail trader to buy, to ride institutional power from very bottom. Again, I have been away for the last week. I have not touched or seen this chart. Let's take a look. Let's go back to oil news. This is oil on December 4th, correct? Let's change this chart to December 3rd. How did you know that this is not the place to buy oil? With your brilliant, intelligent effort and proprietary predictive Alpha Fibonacci system, you are very well prepared, well before the news. Let's take a look what the news was on December 4th. This is how you can test the system, going back many years. Shocker! This is the reason why I love bringing news to the trading room. Wow, news is so bullish. 4 times under supply on oil. How is it possible? Oil selling off. When you master the system, you understand. This is overextended bullish rally. Not the place to buy oil, but the place to monitor for short. You also know hours and days in advance. This is critical key support to the downside. Despite 4 times under supply on oil, oil in free fall, collapsing completely until reaching key Alpha Fibonacci buy point. Despite bullish news, oil collapsed 300 points, reminding you, when you're using your limitless brain, the sky is the limit with Alpha Fibonacci system. As I can walk you through the system years and years to show you, market is predictive Alpha Fibonacci puzzle. All you have to do, make an effort. This morning, institutional rally overextended, institutions buying oil since December 6th. This is a critical key break wall. At the time of the news, I will convert this chart to 1 minute. You know quite well, powerful pullback is key. If oil pulling back to this level, for retail trader, it's a lot better than here. But this was ideal oil on December 6th, because again and again, this was institutional buy point. With your limitless effort, you knew this months in advance. So when you're riding institutional power, you could have done exact same thing on Nvidia. Buying Nvidia from 14, Nvidia right now drastically higher, selling off from Alpha Fibonacci brick wall. You could have bought Amazon, day trading not for everyone. When Amazon sold off 65% in 2022, you knew where Alpha Fibonacci buy point is. Here's Amazon today. Phenomenal bullish rally, extremely high. Amazon sold off from reversal zone. Buyer stepped in with vengeance from critical key Alpha Fibonacci buy point. One of my favorite events in the last 2 years is Euro, as we have so many traders all over the world trading on MT4, MT5, Forex. Euro at the bottom, despite war in Ukraine, despite insanity in Europe, Euro skyrocketing. Our incredible student in Saudi Arabia buying home in South France. Very different student who was on work assignment in Saudi Arabia said, I had enough. I want to be back in the Western world. Jamal is my dearest friend for life. Euro skyrocketed until 127. Middle East crisis starts, Euro at critical key brick wall 104. Euro testing this level now. Response on Euro at this level will define Euro for years to come. This level is out, this level to follow. This level is next. This is critical key event on Euro. And you are very well prepared months in advance. Again and again and again, how to trade this? You must know Alpha Fibonacci rules. Pound. Has anyone seen good news in Europe? So how is it possible? Pound stages the biggest rally in 20 years. Top funds in US opening offices in London, snapping real estate left and right. Quality of life is phenomenal in the most royal city in Europe. Citadel opening office in London. US markets are shocked. Pound skyrocketed from 104 until 133. Now pound testing key level, chart present in the trading room for years. One of my favorite charts of all times is Bitcoin. Ken, my dearest friend for life, movie maker in London, trading Bitcoin with Alpha Fibonacci system on his iPhone. I will walk you through where you can find all the podcasts with our students and graduates. Bitcoin skyrocketed from 15,000 until this level. This was critical key event on Bitcoin. And again, and again, and again. 90,000 is key level on Bitcoin now. Crucial. Will define Bitcoin for years to come. So software and Dow playing out in front of you live. I'm converting this chart to any chart I choose. This is bliss for retail trader. This is where we want to be. Again, when institutions buy, you buy. This is retail profit taking came from Alpha Fibonacci red zone. Pure and simple. So when you know well before market open, this is your trading range. When you are very well prepared with institutional Alpha Fibonacci buy and sell points, you understand quite well. S&P skyrocketed drastically higher. No pullback on S&P, only exhausted bullish move, correct? Again, stunning spectacular power from the bold green zone. Absolutely no power now. Exhaustion. Waiting for oil news. Again, this is software today trade futures for Ninja Trader 8 scanner running above. When you see multiple alerts, it constitutes power. When you see single alert, it constitutes weakness. Again, with a single glimpse, you knew well before trading day where buy and sell points are. You understand market is 27. 50% of the volume in European session. Our students in Europe are ecstatic. So institutional rally continues higher with junky retail pullbacks for retail trader that will present a problem. And that's how you prepare for your trading day. Understanding quite well, institutions holding longs, institutional profit taking extremely mild. All of this months in advance, never after the fact. Institutions can add to longs at any point. Institutional traders can be negative for days, weeks and months. Easy to trade someone else's money. You, as intelligent trader, obeys the rules. Understand quite well. Powerful pullback is crucial. Market waiting for oil news, as it does every single time. On Dow it's clear, on S&P it's a mess. I always encourage my students to learn on Dow. On Dow you have triple number of trades. Dow is drastically less liquid, which means a lot more volatile than S&P. S&P reflects US stock market, slow and painful, drastically less trades. So intelligent trader understands this is crucial key event on Dow, bold green zone, market waiting for oil news. So while we're waiting for oil, let me walk you through the website. You can always request invitation to the trading room, and when trading room is open, you will be invited. You can view the ebook I recently wrote to summarize the system. You can also watch the webinar, and you can see all of this on our banner on top. You can view our YouTube channel with more than 4,000 subscribers. And you can certainly read our students' reviews, which for me is the most important part. So when you scroll further down, you see clearly, this is proprietary, institutional, precise Alpha Fibonacci lifetime system for day and position trading with precise entry, stop, and target on future stocks, Forex, ETFs, commodities, all instruments, all platforms, and also available as a lifetime Alpha Fibonacci software for Ninja 8 to day trade futures. I teach in group and private mentoring classes. Every package also includes trading room video library modules, currently offering savings up to $8,000. I have been building and continue building my system since 2004. I launched the website in 2011, refusing to work for financial institutions, which I continue saying no to. So when you view our students' performance from all over the world, you will see if traders trading everything who failed for many, many years, so can you. This never gets old. Bitcoin, of course. Futures, after trying for 20 years, absolutely. All you have to do, make an effort and identify what's appropriate for you to trade. Pablo, complete beginner trader, came to me, never knew how to push a button on the computer. Attorney who is extremely stressed out. Closed his law practice, now is a full-time trader, trading everything, also trading on multiple platforms. Trading futures on Ninja, trading stocks on TradeStation, trading options on TradeStation. But what do I love about this email so much? It states clearly, when Pablo is stressed out, he doesn't trade. Stress in the family issue, life is stressful, forget about trading. Intelligent decision. Because when you're trading, when you are stressed out, market owns you before you even place the trade. When he came back to the markets, as Pablo speaks to my students all the time, as he attended our live sessions in Trading Bootcamp, he shared, when life is good, he's trading everything, gold, oil, euro, cable, Aussie. And when he says, American indices look like junk, forget it. Zero reason to force a trade. Pablo, my dearest friends for life. That's it. I also love what Tom says from New Zealand. Tom signed up for private mentoring, trying for 17 years before, saying clearly, 17 years wasted. Completely wrong path. Tom did only 5 private mentoring sessions on New Zealand time zone. He's off to the races. Full-time business owner, very, very busy. I work with students in private mentoring who are on very different time zones. That's it. So when you make a personal decision and you make an effort, the sky's the limit. Richard, oncologist, retired trading Alpha Fibonacci system on options. CEO Legend spoke in a bootcamp, speaks to students so many times from Australia. Trading it all on future success rate 92%. And that's the reason I live and breathe what I do. And here's my final, very, very favorite thing is again, tens of thousands of emails from traders all over the world, as I just received invitation to wedding in India. So please make a personal decision and identify what you want to trade. The skies are the limit. With Harvard of Trading Education. What big words by my students. So simply choose the option appropriate for you with group and private mentoring. Private mentoring, one spot left. You can also listen to our students' podcasts from all over the world. Private mentoring, I hold your hand. I show you what's appropriate for you to trade or not. I keep you accountable. I open your eyes on the truth about yourself. True story. Trader came to me devastated, struggling for years, losing so much money. Very successful business owner, incredible family. I opened his eyes. Day trading is not for him because he has no interest in financial markets. He just wants to win. When you have that kind of mentality, you cannot day trade. If you have that kind of mentality, you system long term. Spend hours and days making decision about your trade. That's how I work with you one-on-one in private mentoring, showing to you what you should be trading versus not. Group course, option 2, the most popular option. Option 1 and 3 for those who are not on Ninja Trader 8. Any questions for me? Do not hesitate to contact me. I'm not good at writing long emails. I'm good at speaking. Simply pick up the phone and call or send me your email. US +1 925 257 4298 or info@fibinstitute.com. So here's Dow before oil news. In perfect place. Correct? Here's S&P. Did we know this is not the place to buy? Of course, with a single glimpse this morning. So if you can drive, you can trade Alpha Fibonacci System with and without software. You are day trading futures. Software is a phenomenal tool. All you have to do, apply Alpha Fibonacci rules. Retail profit taking in a progress. Again, this is a perfect place to be because institutions keep buying market with vengeance. Intelligent trader understands what this means. As Dow skyrocketing already with vengeance. That's it. So here's Dow with multiple alerts. Here's very important event to the tick. Intelligent trader understands what this means. Do you remember this identical level on Euro? Do you remember this identical level on Nvidia? Only difference in day trading, you operate as a sniper. You do not operate as a trigger-happy cowboy. Price moves one step at a time. This level is out, this level to follow. Extreme caution being in the trade before the news. I agree. So intelligent trader understand this is critical key target on Dow. If you're trading multiple lots, you start scaling out. Trades played out on multiple various charts. I converted software to 1 minute chart. You're trading single and double lot, you are completely out. From this level, price collapses high 80% of the time. Again, you saw exact same level on Nvidia. You saw exact same level on Bitcoin. Except on Bitcoin and Nvidia, no software. Software to day trade futures for Ninja Trader 8. Key moment. Again, you're trading multiple lot sizes, you're trailing closely. Single and double lot, completely out. 20 points on Dow, $5 per tick, single lot, $100. You remain consistently profitable. You adding 1 lot per month. By the end of the year, you're trading 10 lots. You remain consistently profitable. By the end of 2 years, you're trading 20 lots. Your account goes from $100 to $2,000. Your trading day is done. Again, you knew well before it happens where critical key target is. ultimate precision is the reason my students are dearest friends for life. Again, to the downside, this is key level. Anyone surprised the price collapsing? Should not be. This is what you learn in the course. Ultimate, strategic, intelligent, precise chess is how Alpha Fibonacci system built by me. This never gets old, I promise. So when you're witnessing this ultimate precision that reminds you the power of Alpha Fibonacci system and the reason traders in US and globally trading all instruments, all time frames, all platforms, this is exactly the reason top financial institutions sending me emails, calling me for years and years and years. My answer remains no. That's it. I'm not selling out. I'm here. Pure and simple. So when you start using your limitless brain, the sky's is a limit. On every instrument, every time frame, every platform, or with software to day trade futures for Ninja Trader 8. This never, ever, ever gets old. So if institutions picking up this team, you are not surprised. You knew quite well where to buy from. That's it. So when after this level, price reaches next level, it reminds you, price moves one step at a time. Again, identical level you are witnessing on Dow, RZ means reversal zone. Expecting pullback from this level. Again, retail pullback level is here. And you know this in advance. So here we go, traders, price reached reversal zone. Intelligent trader understands this extremely important level. Again, confirmed and confirmed and confirmed. Institutions adding to loans. Institutions buying the market with vengeance. At all times, at all levels. When Alpha Fibonacci key levels are present. Again, we discussed this well before market open. Pure and simple. So again, RZ means reversal zone. Everyone clear on that? Again, this is micro day trading chart. Again, we knew where to expect pullbacks from. Without any speculation, without any gambling. Here it comes. Again, identical level on Amazon. No software on this chart. Not everyone made to be a day trader. You cannot pass psychological and technical tests. Look at the charts once a week, once a month. Spend hours and days making decisions about your trade. Identical level on Bitcoin now. It's all the same. Only difference, risk management and trade hold time. So here comes pullback on Dow. Again, as I warned you, triple number of trades on Dow versus S&P. Intelligent trader understands where pullback coming from. Intelligent trader knew it before it happened. No speculation, no gambling here. Only ultimate precision with proprietary Alpha Fibonacci system and software to day trade futures for Ninja Trader 8 or to trade all instruments, all time frames, all platforms. On crypto platforms, of course. On Forex platforms, of course. It is all the same. Choice is yours what you want to trade. Without any delays, why traders in US and globally from 14 to 86 years old trading the system. Why fathers bringing their children, husbands bringing their wives, friends bringing their friends to the course. Extremely bullish oil news traders, again with new institutions buying oil. So let's go to oil. As we discussed, this is a critical key brick wall for retail trader, converting this chart to one. Bullish news doesn't mean a thing when Alpha Fibonacci brick wall is present. We agree on that? Did we know or did we know that this would be a problem? This would be a massive mess zone. So price pulling back as low as possible for intelligent trader, it's a beautiful news. If not, this represents a major problem, reminding you again and again and again how Alpha Fibonacci system overrides major news. So for oil collapsing despite being extremely bullish, you are not surprised. You also witnessed identical level this morning on euro. You remember forever, it's all the same. When you trade one, you can trade them all with Alpha Fibonacci system. On euro, this level was at 111. On Nvidia, this level now at 140, where Nvidia sold off from. On oil, this level at key institutional chart at 85. When you trade one, you can trade them all. On retail chart, on junky little micro chart, selling pressure in the progress. As we knew extremely well, this is not the place to buy. And that's the reason traders trading Alpha Fibonacci system on all instruments, all time frames, all platforms, or with software to day trade futures for Ninja Trader 8. Shorts flashing in a progress on Dow. You are very clear where it's playing out from. Intelligent trader understands. Best shorts come from the red zone. But if price stuck at reversal zone of the long, it's a very limited trading range. Caution please. Again, trades play out on multiple charts. I choose to project software on 1 minute chart. That's it. And that's extremely volatile trading day. We've been here for less than an hour. Software had given 10, 15, 20 alerts. You do not need many trades. What you need is quality. And again, you are not surprised where bounce coming from. That's it. So when you start using your limitless brain and start making effort, the sky's the limit. Simply make a decision on what you want to trade. Is it oil? Or is it stocks? Or is it futures? Or is it commodities? Whatever platform you are on, if it has Fibonacci retracement tool, Alpha Fibonacci system applies. Any questions? Simply pick up the phone on call or send me an email with your phone number. 925-257-4298 or info@fibinstitute.com. Thank you traders so much. It's been my joy and honor being here with you today. Thank you for a very powerful, very volatile day. Amazing to see you.